The Monterrey is one of our all-resin above-ground pool options. That means all components of the pool are resin with the exception of the wall, which is metal. The Monterrey is a high-end option that has a wall height of 54 inches with a 10-inch resin top ledge and 8-inch resin upright post. This pool's available in a 24, 30, and 33-foot round, as well as several oval options, and is equipped with a 2-horsepower 2-speed pump and either a 250 or 400-pound sand filter, depending on the size of the pool you choose. You can customize this pool by selecting to upgrade to a thicker liner, your maintenance equipment, and even your ladder. You can also choose standalone options such as upgrading your sanitizer to salt or ozone, or adding glass filter media to your filter. We will even coordinate the installation of your new pool purchase for you, including the delivery of the sand that is needed for the install. The installation price varies based on the size of the pool and your location. Country leisure, just add water.